Welcome back. Yes, what are the oral communication strategies which we can use to develop speaking skills in our learners? Why don't we watch these classroom situations and find out for ourselves?
Class, today we will take up interesting activities. For the first activity, I would like you all to imagine that you are going on an exciting holiday trip. But there's a catch. You can only bring 10 items or 10 objects with you. So you would have to decide what these 10 objects would be. And I would like you to reach a consensus on these objects. Here are the specific instructions. You are to take a vacation in Cebu. Write down the 10 items you would like to have in your luggage if you are going to stay there for 2 weeks. After completing your list, find a partner. Then compare notes and negotiate a new list of items. When you and your partner have finished with the new list, join another pair of students. Compare notes and negotiate a new list that all 4 of you can agree to. After negotiating a new list, find another group of 4, compare notes, and justify your choices. Class, I know the instructions are quite long, but I will make you go through the activity step by step. Okay? Let's take stage 1 first. Make a list of the 10 objects that you will put in your luggage to your trip to Cebu, a 2-week vacation. I shall give you exactly 10 minutes to do this. Are you ready? Begin.
What was that an activity for? Does it provoke spoken communication among students? That was a consensus activity where students had to agree with each other after a certain amount of discussion. Consensus activities are very successful in promoting free and spontaneous language use. There are certain consensus activities which you can make your students go through. One of this is the moral dilemma. Let's see how the teacher does it on her students.
Class will take up another activity which will make you reach a consensus or an agreement. Let me explain to you the situation. You are on your way to school. Then you spot your classmate cheating with his notes open. What are you going to do? There are 4 possible courses of action to take, and they are: 1. Ignore the incident. 2. Call your friend's attention on the spot. 3. Tell the teacher about the incident. And 4. Confront your friend later. I shall divide you into 3 groups consisting of 4 students. And in each group, I would like you to reach a consensus or an agreement on the issue. When that is done, I would like you to compare notes with another group and try to reach a consensus on what alternative you are going to take or what alternative you are going to adopt. Then finally, the whole class is going to meet and we should have a final decision. Understood? Class, are you ready? Yes. Then group yourselves now. Okay.
I'm sure this activity can be used from the elementary level upwards. You can make alterations based on the kinds of learners you have. One strong plus factor of the activity is the fact that it is great fun for students to do it. It enables them to produce a lot of English. There are 3 oral communication activities which are thought-provoking. They make our students take sides, present and refute arguments well. We call these activities discussion activities. An example of this activity is the formal debate. Let me give you a variation of the formal debate. which is called the sinking ship debate. But before you join me in the classroom to see how a teacher does it on the students, let's pause for a station break. Please don't go away.